Hey, good morning everybody. Back here at Patchogue Firearms Restorations. Today I'm showing you a progress on a Ranger 5000, which is a clone of the Stevens 311. This gun came to me needing just a good cleanup, tightening up of the checkering, and just a good refinishing. While the finish was kind of messed up. As you can see, the receiver is in very good condition. Probably just going to end up polishing up the screws and the trigger guard, and then cleaning up the butt plate a little bit. As you can see, it's a little dirty, and it's just faded, so probably just polish that up a little bit. Spent the last day stripping and refinishing the stock. Had to tighten up the checkering a little bit. A lot of the diamonds had lost their peaks. I know it's kind of hard to see the checkering with this lighting. The borders on the stock were almost non-existent, so I had to completely recut the borders. And it came out pretty good. We put the first coat of True Oil on today, and we're going to let that dry, then put a second coat on. And while we're waiting, we're going to go ahead and start cleaning up some of these metal bits. The barrel needs about a 50% re-blue. Going to try doing some cold blue, and we'll see how that comes out. Hope everybody likes the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like what you see here at Patchogue Firearms Restorations, and so you can catch more videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.